Hi, I'm Jenna. I'm the Makerspace manager here at FirstBuild. If you come in, I'm going to be the one to help you out. I have experience on 3D printers, laser cutters, CNC, and pretty much all the machines in the shop. So if there's anything that you want to make that you can make here, come on in and I'll be the one to help you out. So for the last couple of years, I have been a community member here at FirstBuild, making stuff on the laser cutters, the 3D printers, and now I have the opportunity to come in and help you all make stuff. I've been working in makerspaces since 2017. I've been 3D printing, 3D modeling, doing laser cutting. I made this name tag myself. It's iridescent acrylic, and it's etched on the back so it pops, and I can tell you what that means when you come in. I also have been doing 3D printing since 2017, so I made this here. We've got the FirstBuild logo. This is just our badges that we swipe into the back with, and I printed this and then this chain to go with it so that I can easily swipe in as the craftsman into our back area. And speaking of 3D printing, we have a new 3D print meetup group. It's happening on Tuesday nights from 6:30 to 8. And you can either come in and learn how to use these 3D printers behind me, or bring your own 3D printer and as a support group, help each other troubleshoot on your issues with your own personal 3D printers. And speaking of groups and gatherings, we have a space that's free to use for your own events. So if you're interested, there's going to be a link in the description. Feel free to click that. It's a Google form, or you can email me at jenna@firstbuild.com, and that's going to be in the description too. So our space is totally free to use for your event or gathering. So if you have a D&D group or a sewing group, or if you want to start a group, we can totally make that happen here. We have lots of equipment, so if there's things that you need, we also have materials. So email me with your ideas and whatever I can do to help you make that happen. So come on down to FirstBuild and I'll see you soon.